In this experiment, I'm going to show you how bio, in this case we're using washing up liquid, emulsify fats, like in this case we're using cooking oil. So we use a beaker with water, we put some oil in there, you can see the oil. If we add washing up liquid, the washing up liquid is going to break the oil into small droplets. And that's how bio works.